Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI Guru. So today's topic is sum and SUMX. So what is the difference between sum function and SUMX function in Power BI? So let's see this. So sum function is basically performed based on single value or single column. So just to see the syntax here, we can see here M profit is our measure and we have performed some operation in this based on profit column. So that is our measure. Let's see what is SUMX. SUMX is used when there are multiple columns and based on those multiple columns we derive some operation. Like here we have used identified profit based on sales data, sale price and unit price based on that. So let's see this in Power BI. So we can see here there is one data table. This is sales data, order ID, customer ID, order date, number of units, unit price and sale price. So now we need to identify what is our profit. So first we will use sum operation. So for sum, if we sum all of these, then it will not be a correct value because this will be a sale price, this is unit price and this is number of units. So the profit will be from first of the line, it should be 30 per unit, means it will be 60 for first line. So we can see here, first we need to do some calculated column. So just we add one column here. Profit, and here we perform operation like sale price minus unit price. Now we will multiply it with number of units. Multiply by with number of units. So this is the profit here. Now if we want to see how measure works, you can see here M underscore profit. If we perform sum of sale price minus sum of unit price, then it will not be a correct value. Let's see this, how it will calculate. Sum of unit price. So if we give this, here we have not closed this bracket, that's why the error came. Now we can see. So if we pass this value, sales data, profit measure, this is sorry, we can select this card and pass this value M profit. So this is 1010, but this is not the correct profit. So how we see this? So we need to again update that value. Like we cannot do like this. So that's why it can calculate only on the basis of one value, on one column only. This is sum of profit. So now the value is changed. This is 2890, which is the correct profit. We can perform same thing with SUMX as well. So how we see? We just create a new measure m underscore profit 2. I am identifying 2 because we cannot create two measures with same name. So here we will perform SUMX. So here for this we don't need any calculated column. We can just perform the direct operation like which we created calculated column first and then created measure. So both of the things we can do in one go only. So let's see how we will do this. This is SUMX of sales data, or we can say this is the table name from on which table we are going to perform operation. So sales data, now sale price minus unit price now we will multiply it with number of units. Now we close this bracket. Now our m profit 2 is created here. So we will pass this in this one and see what is the value. So we can see here by using these two columns only, this unit price and sale price, we have performed this operation. So SUMX is little bit more complex as compared to sum. Thank you.